And so I have some bananas. I have 2 actually that I'm just going to mush with a fork or break up with a fork. And if you have bananas and you think they're going bad or they're very sweet, this is an excellent way to use them. And you don't have to throw them out. So again, I'm just like mushing them with a fork. And they are so delicious. And the holidays are right around the corner. So this is a nice, tasty treat to have. And it's also very affordable because bananas are always on sale. And even when they're not, they're pretty much affordable. And it's a quick and easy dessert. Okay, so to that, I'm going to add one tablespoon of, let me go back. I'm gonna add 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and if you don't like cinnamon, you can leave it out. It will still be delicious. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Again, if you don't like it, you can leave it out. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know how you liked it. And I'm going to add some vanilla as soon as I can get it open. Okay, here I have 3 beaten eggs and about 4 ounces of milk. Now you can use any type of milk you want. Almond milk, oat milk. Okay, so let me stir this up. Again, this is 3 beaten eggs with a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Let me switch out this fork for a spoon. And you want it kind of thick, like a pancake batter. And so if it's not, you can add a little bit more self-rising flour until it's thick. Let's see how this, I may have to add just a little bit more flour, but let's see. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more flour. And I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of flour. Let's see how this goes. 1, 2, and 3. Again, that's self-rising flour. You can use any brand that you like. Okay, there we go. Let's thicken it up. And that's what you want to see. You want a thick batter. You don't want like a crepe batter. And these fry up pretty fast, which is what you want when you want to get something good and tasty on the table. Okay, I'm also going to add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and you can omit that if you're watching how much sugar you take in, because the bananas are sweet. Okay. So now, I'm using a scooper, but you don't have to use that. You can use a regular spoon. Okay. One. And I might not use all of the batter. 2. But I'm also, let me take this spoon out, going to add some raisins. Now if you don't like raisins, you don't have to put any in there. My family love raisins, so I'm just gonna mix some with raisins. And again, they fry up pretty fast, so there we go. And let me just put these. Okay. There we go. They remind me of beignets, if you've ever been to New Orleans. And they are delicious. Let me move all of this out of the way. Oh, they smell delicious as well. And you just want them to be golden brown. Now, these are the ones with the raisins. And I like these a little bit lighter because of the raisins. If you continue to cook them, they may begin to burn. And I'm just going to add a little bit of powdered sugar, and you don't have to. Oh, these are so delicious. And it's a nice treat to have on the table for guests. This is actually some shredded coconut, and I'm just going to sprinkle this over the top. Look how delicious and festive that look for the holiday. Again, take a minute, hit the subscribe button and a like. Leave a comment. Let me know which one you like, the banana fritters by itself or with the raisins. Until next time, enjoy.